In this video, we'll go over how to maintain your Bosch dishwasher, and it's a pretty simple maintenance. So what we need to do is we need to remove the bottom drawer of your dishwasher, which reveals this screen at the bottom here. That screen is where all the dirty dishwater pumps out. And so you have these two blue arrows here. And so if you just take this cup and rotate it counterclockwise about 180 degrees, that'll unlock the screen. Make sure the blade is out of the way, and we just lift straight up. Okay, so there's actually two components here. There's the top screen and the bottom filter, and sometimes this filter is actually just detached and it might be sitting in the well there. Just make sure that you pull out that filter too. Okay, so what we want to do now is we want to go ahead and rinse off both the screen and the filter. And the purpose of the screen, the larger one here, is to catch like the larger debris. Let's say you had salsa and you didn't rinse all your tomatoes off of your dish, and so that screen will catch the larger stuff. The filter, the cylindrical filter that's on the underside, that's more for the smaller particles. And the reason that we want that filter and the screen clean is because there's a pump at the bottom of that well that takes that water through. It actually takes the water through to the drain on your sink. And if that line becomes clogged, we're going to have to call in Bosch, and they're going to have to come in and either change out the entire line or replace the pump. So we want to make sure that both the filter and the screen remain clean. And now we're ready to clean off our filter and screen, and to do so, just some hot water, and take your time with it. I'm going quickly here because it's already clean, but you want that to be crystal clear. Now we come down to our well, and we want to make sure that there's no debris down in that well that could get caught in the pump or the drain line. And then we're ready to reinsert our filter and screen. So what we do is we take our screen and insert it into the filter, and we take both components and we drop it down into the well. Once we drop the filter into the well, we want to make sure that the screen is flush with the base of the dishwasher. We're going to turn the funnel clockwise 180 degrees, make sure that it's secured firmly in the base, and you just cleaned out your filter. So I recommend this is done every 4 to 8 weeks, depending on use. And again, it's really important to get this taken care of because it can be pretty expensive to get somebody in to have to clear out that pump and the drain line, or possibly even replace that pump. And then you're without a dishwasher for some time, which I know is a first world problem, but definitely an inconvenience. If you have any questions, as always, please leave them in the comments section below. This way, if any other resident has the same questions, they'll have the answer below.